Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another beautiful piece to show you today. So this is Hermès Toolbox. I'll talk you through the features. So we've got 5 base studs along the bottom, and then we have double top handles and a turn lock fastening flat opening there. And you can see we've got a little loop on each side, so you can attach this removable strap. This removable strap actually still has the sealing on either side, so we've not popped that on the bag, but you can see that just there. And then these side parts as well, you can see you can either have it tucked in like that, so it's a bit more of a boxy shape, or it kind of can wing out at the side as well, which I think is a really nice shape as well. So I'll open it up and show you inside. So it's leather, that lovely soft reddy orange leather throughout. Inside we've got one flat pocket on this side, just here, and you can see that in that pocket as well, don't know how well we'll be able to see it on the camera, but just there we've got the date code as well. So it begins with T, so it's a 2015 Hermès, and then on the opposite side we've got another 2 flat pockets just there and there as well. The condition of this Hermès, we've called the exterior very good, and I'll show you why. So I'll just pop those wings out again so you can see that shape. So we've called the exterior good, very good. There's just a couple of really tiny little marks. So just there on the handle at the front, there's a really tiny mark there, and then on the back, again, just a couple of really small marks. So one just there, and then one just there as well. But other than that, it is really gorgeous. It's got that gorgeous red colour, and even the base, there's a little indent there, but there's no kind of scratches or marks on the majority of that leather. It's in a lovely condition. The interior we've called excellent. There isn't kind of any marks or anything like that for me to show you. It's been, you can tell it's been used perhaps a couple of times before, but it is really in a really gorgeous condition. And the hardware, again, we've called very good, because for the most part it's just perfect, but there is a few really tiny little scratches. So you can see just here, a little scratch just there, and then there's a little bit of scratching. Some of these actually still have the plastic sealing on them, but you can see this base stud up here, these 2 here don't, and they have a little bit of scratching on them. So that's why we've called the hardware very good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got one little Hermès little drawstring pouch, and that had the removable strap in it. And then we've got another little pouch, and inside there we've got a leather cloche with a pair of keys inside there as well, and those keys are for this little Hermès padlock. And then we also have, which is really cute and such a great idea, so it comes with 2 bag raincoats, so to keep that gorgeous leather protected in the rain. And then we've got 3 Hermès envelopes, so one of them contains the Hermès invoice in there, and then we've got another one which has a fabric care guide in there, and the last one, again, it's got a fabric care guide in there, but just a little bit of a smaller one. And then finally we've got the Hermès dust bag as well to keep it protected in storage. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this Hermès toolbox, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this Hermès directly on our website, so it should hopefully take you directly to there on armcandybagco.com. But if it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you're really hoping for this, and it has sold, just let us know that you love it, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then we'll pop you on that request list, and as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, so you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list, but as I said, exact measurements will be on the website. I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with that top handle, those top handles there, you can pop it on your arm like that, and again you've got the option to pop those sides in as well, so it's a bit more of a boxy shape. And you also have the shoulder strap as well, so if you wanted to wear it as a shoulder, you've got that option, and the measurements for that strap drop are on the website, so if you wanted to know those, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. You'll find the option to pop your email in at the bottom of each page, so that you can sign up, and don't forget to do that because we will send you through your welcome discount code once you have. And also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if you've got any pieces of arm candy that you would like to sell with us, we'd love to see what you have for us, so have a read through that process. And while you're here, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful pieces like this one that we have to show you, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.